guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ari. Alright, so today we'll be doing a little review on these products from Kaleidoscope. So first of all, full disclosure, I did not purchase these products. They did send them to me in exchange for my honest review, so that's what y'all about to get. So y'all know I'm just starting off getting my hair wet using warm and hot water. My hair was really dirty, so it's perfect to see how these products really work. So this is the Unikorn Enchanted Shampoo. I left all the ingredients and claims and everything on the screen so you guys can stop and read it. But just one thing to be aware about, their biggest ingredient that they used was shea butter, so keep that in mind. Now about the shampoo, I don't mind a strip feeling. However, if you do, you might want to skip this shampoo. Although it was pretty decent with detangling, it did leave my hair a bit stripped, that squeaky clean feeling. They take a long time to rinse out though, so you don't need a lot. Just use a dime size amount if you do use this, because it suds up very quickly and spreads very evenly. So this claims to be a detangling conditioner. This product was super creamy, not runny, but not super thick either. Looking at the ingredients list, cetyl alcohol is the second ingredient, which is supposed to provide slip. When I used on the left side of my hair, and I used quite a bit, the conditioner gave me absolutely no slip. I was literally yanking my hair out. I think the lack of slip stems from the shea butter. I only applied it on this section and the left back, and I rinsed it out because I was not about to yank out the rest of my hair. I rinsed out these two sections under warm water, and instantaneously my hair started to feel so dry. I just didn't apply it to the rest of my hair and just moved on to the deep conditioner. So this one was definitely a no for me. For the deep conditioner, the key ingredients were shea butter, avocado oil, raw honey, and coconut oil. This thing was thick like speckle. The aloe vera wasn't in the first 5 ingredients, neither was the honey nor the coconut oil, which is only mentioned because I was looking forward to the humectants, the honey and aloe vera, to add hydration to my hair. This did, however, have a little bit more slip than the regular conditioner, which is okay because the main claim was penetrating the hair. The second ingredient is shea butter, which is not a very penetrating oil. Actually, it moisturizes the hair instead of... Remember, oil does not hydrate, it seals moisture. Quick chemistry lesson. Oils with short carbon chains have a positive charge that bonds with the proteins inside the hair's cortex. Shea butter has an 18 carbon chain. The shorter the fatty acid chain equals the higher its penetrating ability. But it needs something hydrating to balance it out, or essentially you're simply sealing in dryness. So hydrating is using humectants, proteins, amino acids that penetrate the hair to improve hair absorption of water and the nutrients, and also moisture retention. Whereas moisturizing is using butters and oils to coat the outer surface of the hair by sealing the hair shaft so moisture can't get in or out. So the orders of these ingredients makes it so that it seals before it can hydrate, rather than the other way around. Now I know y'all like, girl, I didn't come here for a chemistry crash course. Did it work? Yes or no? Simply put, no. It left a film on my hair, but it didn't penetrate or hydrate at all. Now for the styling. The curl cream's key ingredients are shea butter, coconut oil, and raw honey. And if you thought that deep conditioner was thick, baby, this one is the mama. I didn't pair this with a leave-in because, child, if I came out of this bathroom, I wasn't coming back. I ran my hair under warm water, but my cuticles wouldn't open from it being sealed by the shea butter and the deep conditioner. But I was like, let me keep trying. Let me just push through. I paired it with their gel, and I can honestly say this gel can get on my money. It's similar to an Eco Styler consistency with a medium hold and a mild crunch. This better be a Taco Supreme. What? If you haven't seen my wash and go routine, I've linked that in the cards for you, but the definition from this gel was worth this entire wash day headache. It clumped my curls perfectly, defined each section, and paired well with that thick curl cream. It took me about 30 minutes to complete, but shout out to Corinne Hawthorne because her album kept me going through this wash day. If you have any suggestions, any wash day suggestions, leave them below, preferably R&B or gospel. But anyways, I need a bigger container because this itty bitty thing, ain't it?
I'm not broken, I'm still going up, 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 up. I'll show them I'm not broken, I'm still going. Oh, didn't you know I'll be my own redemption? Yeah, no manipulation. Ooh, I ain't gonna buy it again. So over all the faking, no, no, I ain't got the energy. Why you be testing me? Ooh, now I'm out of patience.
So I went through and stretched my hair. I'll link that video in the cards as well. My final thoughts. Would I use this line again? Not everything. The shampoo and the gel were definitely worth it. However, everything else was a huge miss. My hair is low porosity, medium thick strands, and high density, and just didn't agree with these products. The lack of the balance between hydration and moisture really took a toll on the end results. The wash and go definition lasted 7 days, while the moisture only lasted 2 days because it merely rubbed off on my silk sheets. But that's really it. I just want to say thank you to Kaleidoscope for sending me these products to review. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you join Muse Gang by subscribing below. Like, comment, share, all that. See y'all in the next one. Bye.
I'm not broke.